हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज हम जानेंगे कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स अबाउट द टैक्सेस इम्पोज्ड इन इंडिया। एक क्वेश्चन हमारे दिमाग में आना स्वाभाविक है कि हम एक डेमोक्रेटिक नेशन में रहते हैं, तो गवर्नमेंट को कहाँ से पावर मिलती है टैक्स इम्पोज करने की और टैक्स कलेक्ट करने की फ्रॉम द पीपल दोज आर लिविंग इन द कंट्री। सो इसके लिए आज हम जानने वाले हैं व्हाट आर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया सेज अबाउट द टैक्सेस इम्पोज इन इंडिया एंड व्हाट आर द पावर्स गवर्नमेंट हैव फॉर इम्पोजिंग डिफरेंट टैक्सेस इन इंडिया. Further, we will understand what are the different lists as per Article 246 of the Constitution we have in India. So let's begin with the understanding of what are the powers government have and from where those power has came to the government for imposing different taxes in India. The Constitution of India in Article 265 lays down that no tax shall be levied or collected except by the authority of law. तो हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कहता है कि जो भी टैक्स हमारी कंट्री में कलेक्ट होगा दैट विल बी कलेक्टेड by authority of law only. Accordingly, for levy of any tax, a law need to be framed by the government. Except government, no one can collect the tax in India. So, Constitution ने ये right specifically government को provide किया है that they can only collect tax in India. Constitution of India gives the power to levy, collect taxes, whether direct or indirect, to the central and state government. The parliament and the state legislature are empowered to make laws on the matter enumerated in the 7th schedule by virtue of Article 246 of the Constitution. तो हमारे आर्टिकल 246 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में डिफरेंट पावर दी गई हैं to the different governments for levy of taxes in India. Now we will understand what 7th schedule to the article 246 says. तो ये तो हमें क्लियर हो गया by reading this कि गवर्नमेंट हमसे टैक्स सिर्फ और सिर्फ एज पर दी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट ही कलेक्ट करती है. विदाउट एनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट नो वन कैन कलेक्ट टैक्स फ्रॉम द सिटीजन ऑफ एनी country. So what 7th schedule to the article 246 contain? It contains 3 lists which enumerate the matter under which the parliament and state legislature have the authority to make law for the purpose of levy of tax. So what 7th schedule is saying? As per the article 246 of the constitution, 7th schedule says that we have 3 lists in the constitution which gives the different power to the different governments. First list is union list, second is state list, and third one is the concurrent list. In union list, parliament has the exclusive power to make laws on the matter contained in the union list. And in state list, legislature of any state have a exclusive power to make a law on matter contained in the state list. And in concurrent list, both parliament and state legislature have the power to make law on a matter contained in concurrent list. So, in brief, we can say that union list gives the power to the central government for making laws, and state list gives the power to the state government for making any laws, and concurrent list gives the power to both state and central government for making any laws in India. So basically, we understood that what 3 lists we have as per the Constitution of India and what power those lists provide to the government. Now, income tax is the matter of union list since central government has the power to impose income tax in India. तो आपकी इनकम पे जो टैक्स इम्पोज होता है इंडिया में वो कंप्लीटली सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के थ्रू लेवी होता है. थैंक यू एवरीवन.